If you would love to grow a low hedge around a bed, a border or a display, create a division or a partition within your garden, Buxus sempervirens, or box as it's known, is the perfect plant to do it. And actually the most economic way is to start with plants around about this size and then space them out in the row in the shape that you would like them to be. And over the course of around about 5 to 8 years, they're going to get to about 2 foot tall. Over 10 years, probably 3.5 foot tall. But of course, the height they ultimately get to is entirely your choice. So if we look at this picture here, once they get to the height you're happy with, get your hedge trimmer or your shears, take off the tops. That will then make the bottom side of the plant fill out and get them bigger and bushier over time. So you can create fantastic hedges, whether they be low or if you let them get a bit more height to them, get a bit taller, it's entirely up to you. But these evergreen beauties will give you an absolute point of punctuation through the whole of your garden. And they'll last for decades, literally decades and decades. In fact, probably 100 years potentially. So these are easy to grow. They're winter hardy, they're evergreen. It's the perfect hedging plant. You can trim them to any shape, height, size, or whatever you choose. In fact, many people will grow these and actually form topiary designs out of them. So over time you could do that. But certainly one of the ways I love to use these, and I've got several places in my garden where I've just got low hedges, where I've got gravel area, a little low box hedge, and then the border is behind it. And it creates a lovely sort of almost like a clean line. So all of the action that's going on behind it in the bed or border gets on with itself, but you don't see all of the low undergrowth there. You're just seeing the top bit framed beautifully by the lush evergreen front that this will provide. So they're easy to grow. They're hardy, they're evergreen. You can grow them in pots, you can grow them in your beds and borders, you can form hedges. You choose how high or low the hedge is. It couldn't be simpler. Get yours, get them planted in your garden, and actually really do make the most of them. And actually, by buying them in this format, the economy is unbelievable. So Buxus hedging, it's the hedging plant in my opinion. Get it in your garden and really get them growing this year.